I'm going to show you how to edit your images using Grok. To get started, open your web browser and head to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, type Grok into the search bar and press Enter. From the search results, look for Grok's official link and click on it to go directly to the homepage. Once you're on the Grok website, you're just a few steps away from editing your image. Look for the clip or upload icon on the page. This icon allows you to upload the photo you want to edit and is usually easy to spot. Click on it, browse through your files, and select the image you want to work on. Double-click the image or click the Open button to upload it to Grok. After your image is uploaded, it's time to decide what changes or enhancements you want to make. This is where you create a prompt. A prompt is simply a set of instructions that tells Grok how to edit your image. Once your prompt is ready, submit it for processing. Look for the Submit button on the page and click it to start the editing process. Grok will begin working on your image based on the instructions you provided. This is where your creativity really comes to life. The process may take a moment, so be patient. When Grok finishes, you'll be able to download the edited image or continue making additional changes. That's it. You've successfully uploaded and edited an image using Grok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful and easy tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.